Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to public highlights on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and head over to your profile page. Look for the plus icon or the new button located just below your bio. Tapping this will open your story archive, allowing you to select all the amazing moments you want to feature. You can choose as many as you like, so pick your favorites. This is the crucial first step to showcasing your best content. Once you have selected your stories, it is time to give your highlight a memorable title. Keep it concise and descriptive, perhaps using just 1 or 2 words. Next, you will choose a cover photo. You can pick any frame from your selected stories, or for a more polished look, upload a custom image directly from your phone's gallery. A great cover makes your highlight stand out, so take a moment to select the perfect one. Your highlights are not set in stone, you can always edit them. To do this, simply tap on the highlight you wish to modify from your profile. Then, select the Edit Highlight option. From here, you can add more stories from your archive, remove any you no longer want, or even reorder them to tell a better visual narrative. This flexibility ensures your highlights always reflect your current interests and best content. Instagram highlights are public by default if your account is public, meaning anyone can view them. If your account is private, only your approved followers will have access. There is no separate privacy setting for individual highlights. To share your highlights, simply share your Instagram profile link. People can then easily find and enjoy the curated stories you have put together. It is a fantastic way to showcase your best moments to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.